If Igbo do not take their right to rule in Nigeria, I will divide Nigeria.
And it is not a joke.
And forget about when I talk, some people take things and ask about Dangote the way I speak. When I raise the voice of power, and no one can stop it. And once Igbo people did not take their right, as this country has already decided and said, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, if that right is not given to the Igbo people, and for them to take their own right to rule, I will divide Nigeria. It's a promise. Don't say how it will happen. A word of the prophet is irrevocable.
Yes, sir.
If he said it's impossible, then I will prove it to you. One thing is sure, and I have never ever conduct when it comes for battle, and then I did. Nobody. That is the lion for you. Igbo must take their right in Nigeria. And let me tell you, many fathers in Hausa Yoruba have spoiled the heart of their children. Don't give Igbo man a chance. Any chance you give to Igbo man, he take over. That is why there's a hatred. All the damages and demolishes of the Igbo properties is because of jealousy, nothing but. Nothing was built in a wrong place. But the only property you see destroyed in Lagos are Igbo's properties because of jealousy and enviness. Why I am saying this? So that two people will not be using that they build it in a long, they build it in a wrong area. That is what they are filling the mind of people. Now lie, or governor, and all the people that you people are doing those rubbish, we know your heart. To setting on that demolishment again, it will not be that way anymore. And we have taken that rubbish enough for this country. It happened many years ago. Outside people started their own, destroying Igbo businesses. And now Igbo people has already relocated out of. Now Lagos people have started their own again. This is the last warning. Let such nonsense of demolition of Igbo property not repeat himself again. Because of progress of Igbo. And Igbo don't hide their progress. They will be showing in Lagos and gather themselves, celebrating money. And you see them, many of them, all of them, leeches men. And Yoruba people say, our people are not doing that. Igbo, Omo Igbo, Omo Igbo, Omo Igbo, Omo Igbo. Oga, you cannot stop whom we are. God has only decorated Igbo people to be people that struggle. And there is no place they enter they cannot develop. It is their destiny. If I can't say it now, nobody.